You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we're going to continue with more probability. This time it's called compound probability. What the heck does that mean? Here. A bag contains 8 red marbles, 2 blue marbles, and 3 green marbles. If 2 marbles are drawn out of the bag, what is the exact probability that both marbles will be red? All right. So first of all, how many marbles are in the bag? There's 8 red, 2 blue, and 3 green. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. So that's 13 marbles. What are the chances that you will pick a red one? Well, how many red ones are there? There's 8 out of 13. 8 out of 13. Now, let's say we assume in these problems that we picked a red marble. If we picked a red marble after there were 8 red marbles in the bag, how many red marbles are left in the bag? 7. And how many total marbles are left in the bag? 12, right? There were 8 red marbles, now there's 7 red marbles. There were 13 total marbles, now there's 12 total marbles. 8 times 7 is 56. 13 times 12 is 156, and that is your answer. You do not have to simplify if you're doing the assignment on Delta Math. Okay? This is exact. I'm going to tell you what I mean by exact after the next problem. Okay? A bag contains 6 red marbles, 4 blue marbles, and 5 green marbles. 2 marbles are drawn. What is the probability to the nearest thousandth that both marbles will be red? How many marbles are there total? 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 5 is 15. How many are red? 6 out of 15. Once again, you pick 1 red and you're left with 5 red out of 14 total. So 6 times 5 is 30, and 15 times 14 is 210. But now to get to the nearest thousandth, we're going to divide. 30 divided by 210 gives me 0.142857. The 2 is in the thousandths place. Is it closer to 142 or 143? 143. That's the thousandths place. But 143, of course, is not exact. That is a rounded answer. Whereas the 56 over 156, that is an exact answer. 30 over 210 would be exact. But this is rounded. Okay? So if it asks for exact, you need a fraction. If it asks for a thousandths place, you need a decimal. Okay. A bag contains 4 red, 3 blue, 2 green. If 2 marbles are drawn out of the bag, what is the probability to the nearest 0.1% that both marbles are red? Okay. Once again, how many marbles? 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9. How many are red? 4. So the red ones, 4 out of 9. If I pick 1 red one, I'm left with 3 out of 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 9 times 8 is 72. 12 divided by 72 is 0.1666666. So I move the decimal 2 places to make a percent, and that will be 16.6666%. To the nearest 1/10 of a percent, is it closer to 16.6 or 16.7%? 16.7%. If you're doing a Delta Math assignment, you don't put the percent sign, you just put 16.7. Okay? The other type of problem you'll see in Delta Math will be if 3 marbles are drawn. Okay, so in this case you have 3 red, 5 blue, 4 green. what's the exact probability that all 3 will be blue? There's 5 blue out of a total of 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 4 is 12. So 5 blue out of 12 total. Now we're getting 3 marbles. Okay, so you take one blue one out and you've got 4 out of 11 left. You take another blue one out, you've got 3 out of 10 left. 5 times 4 times 3 is 60. 12 times 11 times 10 is 1320. You can leave your answer just like that, and you're done. A bag contains 7 red, 4 blue, 5 green. What's the probability to the nearest thousandth that all 3 will be green? Well, there's 5 green out of 16 total marbles. You take out 1 green, you're left with 4 green out of 15 total marbles. Take another one out, you're left with 3 green out of 14 total marbles. 5 times 4 times 3 is 60. 16 times 15 times 14 is 3360. Divide that, you get 0.0178, which is closer to 0.018. Yes. Bag contains 8 red, 7 blue, 6 green. 3 marbles are drawn. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 6 is 21. What's the probability all 3 marbles will be red? Well, there's 8 red to begin with, so 8 out of 21. Take 1 red out, you've got 7 out of 20. Take another red out, you've got 6 out of 19. Multiply that, you've got 336 out of 7980. You get 0.0421000526. Move the decimal 2 places for a percent. Gives you 4.210526%, which is 4.2%. You've been watching the Weiss channel.